The head unit is in the location shown in the figure. Use the tool to insert holes on both sides of the head unit to remove the head unit. Take out the head unit, then unplug the main line and video cable behind the head unit. Take out the main line and LVDS cable of Carplay, connect with the main line and video line of the original car respectively, and connect them to the head unit. Remove the center console, unplug the gateway cable behind the panel, dock with Carplay's gateway adapter, and connect the other end to the gateway. Dock the 4-pin plug on the gateway adapter with the 4-pin plug on the main line. The dialing code of the module can be changed according to the dialing table according to the screen size of the original car. Connect the Carplay main line and LVDS cable to the box. Also connect the USB cable to the box. Enter the media interface in the original vehicle system. Select external audio input. Press and hold the menu button to switch the Carplay system. You can view Carplay Bluetooth name and other information on the Bluetooth interface. Turn on Bluetooth, search for and connect to Carplay Bluetooth. Pay attention to the pop-up message on your phone and click Pair and Allow. If you connect successfully, you can enjoy wireless Carplay. After the first connection, the subsequent automatic connection on the car, Carplay is using 5G wireless transmission, extremely fast operation experience.
原车方向盘控制，原车旋钮控制。原车声控。打电话给10086。
正在给10086打电话。
对，支持接听挂断。音量调节。导航。
准备出发，全长1.4公里，大约需要13分钟。高德地图持续为您导航。